Hadian ke jinsya siat yap jong uba acara stafil thank you uba de General Secretary Barim jong ka HNLC haga step perngap jong ka khatlai tarik mentau benai kalami ke jing dawa nagi babun ki kenhun bat kumjuru nagi seng balang bau menteri ka Tnat Pohïing ka jela uba lakmen Rymbui udai ban hiar suki no bat menta ka janmiet nagaliang jong uba Rymbui ulapha dak siti syau menteri rang ba jong ka jela konrad konggal sangma un perlaj no ban pej ya ka Tnat Pohïing kum menteri
Menta kasi ondang lawan po nong stoy ngiya kendo ya u presiden ke parti bat ki senior leader jom ke parti nang benta kane ke jinjia ka bah ka khalai trik ubna akos araja arfwe ka ba long ka ba jinjia bas musi tenak yang ka jonga ngalarai ban ong yo sim chip minister ba un sim no ya ka Tnat Pohïing nanga nado menta kasngi ya kan ne lale khnang ba kanok inquiry ka ba ka sarkar kan le kan long kabas khoi bat kabas sai kaban nom don kan dau ka jing artate ha ki pai ba bat nga ai jing mut ba yau chief minister ba ka judicial inquiry deban institute khnang ba ke ek bajia ha ka tu ka step thanga kan mi perthei bat kan shai yau pai ba babun balang today after coming from Nongstoy I had a meeting with our party president and also the senior member of the party whereby I have explained to them regarding the incident which happened on 13th of August 2021, where I have decided to write to the Chief Minister to relieve the Home Police Department from me. This step have been taken to clear the doubt in the mind of the people when the government institute any inquiry regarding this incident. And also, I propose that judicial inquiry be conducted so that all the facts of the matter could be brought into light regarding this unfortunate incident which happened on the 13th of August 2021.